Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we got this SVAVO aroma diffuser. So what this basically is it diffuses aroma essential oils, and it has this 2-fluid conversion technology which is able to release the essential oils in a much finer and lighter sort of particles. And so this works as an air freshener or an advanced aromatherapy. It can also work as a mosquito repellent. It is wall mountable, as you can see over here, the main image. I'm pretty sure it has an LCD display inside, and apparently it works quietly, so there shouldn't be much mechanical noises, or it's very minimal. But anyways, we're gonna go around the package. So this is the front. It's a beautiful package. Displays it very nicely. Anyways, alright, so this is the bottom. I'm sure it's listing some features right here, but I'm not exactly sure how to read that language. So I'm just gonna move over to the other side. There we are, and here is the bottom. So there was a piece of tape that was holding this down, but it has since ripped, so we're just gonna simply pull this up as so. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention, there's a lightning storm happening outside right now, so if you hear any thunder or loud rain, I apologize. I closed the windows, but it's still pretty loud, so yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, when we open it, we find this seems to be a little guide on how to make it work. There it is. Oh yeah, the other side is blank, sorry. Yeah, so there it is. Gonna put that away for now. So I'm gonna go for these first. Oh yeah, this is a little container you put your essential oils in, and let's see here. Oh yeah, it's refillable, obviously, that's why they give you this, so you refill it. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So we'll put that down right here. Sorry about my voice. A little bit thirsty right now, but I'll get over with this video first. Alright, so let's take that out. There seems to be nothing else inside. I don't know if I should pull this out, but it doesn't really seem to be much else inside. We're just gonna put that away for now. Yeah, so let's get to opening this up. Alright, it just ripped apart. I pulled on it too hard, whatever. Alright. There we go. Oh, there's the bottom. Alright, and there seems to be some sort of a tab over the thing. We're just gonna pull it off. There we go. It actually says SVAVO at the bottom. The S is kind of erased, but yeah. We're just gonna put that away as well. Alright, so here's the product. It looks like it's a pretty nice design. Yeah. Alright, so there's little holes for the wall mounting. Not exactly sure what this is. Maybe it's just to maybe it's just to cover it up or something. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this is meant for, but yeah, this is the main thing. This is what's gonna diffuse the essential oils. So there's a little hole at the top that it comes out of, and we simply just pull this back. It seems to be magnetic. It looks quite nice inside as well. It's got nice little buttons right here. I unboxed a calculator a couple of days, not a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago. It's similar buttons to this, very similar. Yeah, but anyways, let's figure out how we're gonna, okay, there we go. Oh, so it takes one of these big batteries to power it up. Alright, I've been able to find one of these batteries. I've actually unboxed this a couple months ago, and yeah, I still have some left over, so we're just gonna open this up and put this in. There we go, just turned on. Very nice display. Yeah. Sent working, paused. Can we turn it off? I'm not exactly sure, but let's take this out for now. Yeah. I want to try fitting in the bottle inside. Alright guys, so to put in the bottle inside this little capsule right here, you'd have to first take out this piece right here. And to do that, you just simply pull on it, just like this. You may have to add a little bit of pressure, like that. Nothing too much. Then you just put it over and screw it in, just like that. And then now to put it in, you just press it back inside there, and it just stays in place, just like that. And yeah, it's very simple like that. That's about it. So if you guys want to check this product out, there will be a link in the description below. Yeah, if you buy through that link, it'll be an affiliate link and you'll be helping me out. And also, I forgot to mention, show this before, actually I found this bag of screws in the box. I believe this is for mounting the little thing they had for the back, so you can mount this to a wall. So it does include a pack of screws, so that's nice to know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye for now.